What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today, well, today's another beat making Monday. So lately I've been kind of inspired by a lot of Caribbean influence, a lot of reggaeton, reggae, dancehall, and that's really what I want to tackle today. I want to do something kind of in that spectrum, in that realm. I don't know how it's going to go, but hey, let's give it a try. As always, we do have some drums, so let's check them out. Let's go. And that'll do it, guys. Let's check it out. Alright, so diving into the beat, the first thing we had was a pad. Now, I found this in, I believe, Expand. I did. So this is called the Evil Frog in the pad section, but essentially that sounded like this. So that sound I fell in love with, but I needed something more rhythmic, something more in your face. So I went for some keys, and together they both sound like this. Now, there are very minimal differences between the patterns of the keys and the pad. The pad just kind of plays solid chords for the most part. The keys, however, get a little bit more fun. I added some variations here just to kind of make it a little bit more bouncy and spice it up. Moving on down, we have some stabs. Now, this here has the same pattern from the keys. They literally took that MIDI region and brought it down and just kind of layered on top of that, and altogether it sounds like this. Now at this point we started to add some drums, and I went in for a simple kick snare pattern that goes like this. Just kind of plays off the current melodies that we have. To add on top of that, we added a clap and an open hat that play at the exact same time, just to kind of add some more bounce, and all together like this. The next part of the drums is actually a timbal, which is a very prominent aspect of reggaeton, as my Latino people would know. But with the timbal, I kind of gave it that, you know, Caribbean bounce, reggaeton bounce, and it sounds like this. Last but not least, we added a close hat and some crashes just to kind of finish off that cadence, and everything together sounds like this so far. Next, we added a bass. You have to have a bass in something like this, so I went for something kind of simple, but it kind of fills it up very, for some reason, I've been doing a lot of like Drake underwater OVO basses, but hey, whatever. Last but not least, we needed some type of lead. Now, this to me kind of just made the beat what it is. It kind of definitely added that, you know, icing on top of the cake feel. And the lead by itself sounds like this. And then with everything else. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now, this was actually one of my first few attempts at the whole Caribbean influence style music, you know, the reggae, the reggaeton, the dancehall, and it was super fun to make. I can see why Drake likes to make this stuff. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you're not already, but I will see you guys on the next one.